Ipinag-utos na ni Pangulong Aquino sa mga kinaukulang ahensya ng pamahalaan ng paghahanap ng paraan para mapababa ang singil sa kuryente sa bansa. Ayon kay Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valte, bukas ang palasyo sa mga panukalang amyendahan ng EPIRA o ang Electric Power Industry Reform Act. Sinabi ni Valte na kailangan din nilang pag-aralan ang mga panukala ng mga mambabatas bago nila masabi kung susuportahan ang amyendang nais baguhin sa EPIRA.
The President had asked already the relevant agencies to look into the problem and to find possible solutions. It is always within the law for us to do. Because while, again, people keep asking, why don't you build your own power plants? Because of the law that we have, government can't do that. You can't put money into that because it's prohibited. So while you believe that the executive has so much power, perceived power, we are limited by what the law says.